This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Ruby, Connecticut, built 2018 and loaded with upgrades, still looks new. Open floor plan. Neutral paint with bright, white trim. Hardwood flooring down. 9 ceilings. Crown molding. French doors to the left of foyer lead to first floor office/study. Great room with pretty gas FBL. Back stairway to second floor. Completely open to the fabulous kitchen with white cabinets, beautiful granite countertops, giant center island with overhang for bar stools, and pretty stone backsplash. GE profile stainless appliances: 5 burner gas cooktop, wall oven with microwave/convection oven above. Dining room totally open to the kitchen/great room. Large covered deck. Rear load garage. Loft/bonus room at top of steps. Laundry room. Master bedroom with pretty tray ceiling, walk-in closet number 1 in bedroom, French door to second covered deck. Big master bath, beautiful with tall double sink vanity with granite countertop, upgraded flooring and huge walk-in tile double shower. Second wall.